How to create Netflix account from scratch. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create your Netflix account from your scratch. So simply type in Netflix sign in on your browser, any of your browser, and inside here head over to your first section where it will be saying sign in option. So once you click on it, when you click on it, you will be redirected to this interface. So it will ask you to prompt you to enter your Gmail account. So let me just enter my one Gmail account. So let me just quickly get started with it and simply click on next. From here, follow the on-screen instruction, create a password that you like over here, and from here simply just follow the on-screen instruction. And as you can see here, just basically choose the plan that's right for you. If you are using this on your mobile, choose the mobile version, and if you are using for the standard or premium version, just choose any of the plan which suits you perfectly and click the next. And from here you have to pay for this. So you just basically have to enter your payment detail either by using debit card or credit card and start the membership. So that is exactly how you can easily create the Netflix account from scratch. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.